So this is an update I've been meaning to do for a while. This is the Metro LAX connector, and this should be opening up in 2024. You can see the station for the people mover looks mostly complete. We've got a lot of windows, glass on the roof. Pretty much looks complete, I would say. You know, probably just as far as the rail end of it might need work. And then as you come over here to the Metro side, this is the Metro station that will connect you to LAX, or if you're coming from LAX, to get you onto Metro's end. This is a pretty good sized station. You can see the roofing. Pretty grand scale. And it should look really nice on the inside. So you can see the construction's come along, but on the ground portions, I'm sure they are dealing with a lot of mud, just like some of the other construction areas I'm covering. But you can see some conduit, PVC conduit, will be going down. And then just really what I'm focused on is the Metro station, which is going to looks like it's going to be incredible. Looks like that could be a structure for an elevator. So this connector should open in 2024. I'm guessing the station portion, the people mover station portion, will be complete later in 2023 when the APM is. I don't know, because when you transition on over here to the CONRAC building, rent-a-car facility, that's supposed to be finished. It looks finished. So they're still throwing a date of 2023, so I'm guessing probably towards the end of 2023. Looks done to me. SoFi Stadium, and you can see the CONRAC building in the foreground. All the rental cars will be housed. And you can here's the rail line that gets you up there towards the CONRAC station.